Good morning, guys. Drewy8897 here, getting ready to do another IRS scam bait video. At least trying to make it a decent one compared to the other ones. But first, I've told many of y'all on other live streams that I've adopted a cat. Unfortunately, she has just crawled back under the bed. Oh, wait a minute. My wife just said that she's over here, so this is Starburst. We got her actually about 4 days ago from the animal shelter.
Mr. Bentley's been jealous.
Part of the Clear the Shelter event where the adoptions were free. She's still kind of getting used to the place, still kind of moody. But hopefully that will settle down soon. But anyway, I've come to find whocallsyou.com this morning and found an IRS number that was literally just posted. I did like a total dry run. I didn't even tell them that I was going to harass them, which on the other ones I should have. The other dry runs of the numbers that I did in my previous videos, I should have never said that to begin with, because crap like that happens. And this is my first IRS video, scam bait video that I have done in I think about a month. I actually asked a few family members for their opinion on who I should harass today, and the only one that really said anything was my 10-year-old sister saying that I should mess with the IRS scammers. So kudos to my sisters. But anyway, we are going right to work. I'm recording this on my phone, by the way. I'm now using open camera on my phone because the last video I was 3.2 gigs, and I have a mega account that apparently won't upload that big of a file. Because I try to keep a archive of all the scam baiting videos that I do, which the original copy is on my tablet, which the tablet's being used to do FireRTC with this. And it worked wonders last time, and so far nobody has commented that I ear raped them. So back from popular demand, I'm using my tablet in this to do the calls. So if anybody sees me do like this, they'll know why. But 3 minutes in, let's go ahead and harass some motherfuckers. Or mother jets, put it that way. Let's do it in Hindi, folks. Anyway, as usual, if you got kids in the area, I would strongly urge you not to view this video until they're out of the room, because there is swearing going to be involved. And I bear no responsibility if I inadvertently teach your children how to swear. And by the way, I'm still looking for a video editor, by the way. I might have to break down and start using one with a watermark, unfortunately, because all the free ones are pretty crappy. Anyway, here we go. And hopefully nothing messes up. Which normally always does. And of course, I'm already starting to have technical issues. Great. And I still have the video editor to edit that out. Oh, and apparently set number hung up. And as usual, my tablet is freezing. And it usually happens every time I put a Bluetooth device on. So I'm going to pause this right quick while I fire out the kinks. Hold on. And I am back. I am sorry for that long pause. Well, y'all won't see it, but I will. But I'm sorry for that pause there, folks. I had to restart my whole tablet. Of course, restart FireRTC on top of that, plus the fake address generator. So here we go. Round 1, part 2. And it seems, folks, I am again having technical issues. So hold on one more second. Alright, sorry about that, folks. Apparently I didn't have the Firefox looking icon on my notification tray before I made the call. So we're going to do a round 1, part 3. Unfortunately. And hopefully it rings this time.
Calling the IRS, how can I help you?
Yeah, I got a call from this number maybe an hour ago.
Was that a voicemail or a call now?
It was a voicemail.
Have you received any papers from the court, from the IRS?
No, I haven't.
Alright, in that case, can you verify me your first name and your last name, which has been registered in IRS database?
Yes. Hold on. It is James Martin.
Okay. Can I have your current zip code?
23701.
Can you stay online for a moment?
Yes. And I just fucked up my RTC. Just did that. Well, that goes one in the field book.
Hello?
Yeah.
Are you standing at 1019 Avenue, Northeast, Vandenberg, Florida 33701?
Yeah.
Is that your current mailing address?
Yeah.
Okay, let me tell you something. The investigation team will be reaching there in 45 minutes, alright?
Uh-huh.
Alright.
Anyway,
Thank you.
what's this about? I know this bitch did not hang up on me. And apparently whoever's fake name I just used, she just went right to the investigation team saying, oh, you're going to be arrested in 45 minutes. Like, yeah, right. And I'm having fire RTC problems yet again. Alright, hold on. I am sick. I know y'all guys are sick of the cutscenes and all that, but I gotta pause the video again. Hi guys, I'm back. I had to switch from the big tablet being used for fire RTC to my phone, and I had to step away back from my dresser just to get this. I want to find a way to merge the video that I still have on the phone where I introduced Starburst, which is my new cat, and the first IRS call. So I'm sorry for the pauses. I'm sorry for going in and out in the video. So it's going to be a learning experience for me as I go along. Anyway, round two, because the lady didn't even tell me what the hell is going on. I mean, typical scammer. Alright, here we go. Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, maybe.
I'm sorry, what do you mean? Can you hear me?
If this is the IRS, yeah, I can hear you. Can you hear me? Really? It seems like these scammers don't want to be scam baited today. But for some reason, I can never get a good scam bait on it. At least I know what the title is going to be now. IRS scam call turned tablet blunder turned scammers don't even want to be fucking bothered. So round three. Hopefully I can scam bait one of these motherfuckers this time.
Calling IRS, how can I help you?
Yeah, I got a call from this number maybe 15 minutes ago.
Okay, and was that a voicemail or a call?
It was a voicemail.
It was a voicemail?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright. Can you verify me your first name and your last name, which is registered in IRS database?
Yeah, it's James, you betcha. Mm.
Hold on for a moment.
Alright.
What is your last name again?
You betcha. It's spelled YOUBETHACHA.
It's YOUBETHA.
Yeah.
Can I have your current zip code?
Current zip code is 90210.
90210?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alright, stay on line for a moment.
Okay. Sorry for the accidental flip off. I was trying to itch my nose. I hope I don't get flagged for that.
go and fuck yourself, huh?
Fuck you too,
Bitch.
scammer bitch!
Fuck you, stupid lady.
Go and wash that smelly pussy. Motherfucker. Your mother
What the fuck are you
told.
playing with the IRS, huh?
Your mother told, no, I love playing with scammers like you, bitch.
Fuck you, bitch.
Fuck you too, mother toad.
Fuck you, bitch, fuck yourself.
You gone-do piece of shit, scammer. That the only
You
thing
don't have any other jobs to do, huh?
Nah, I love scam baiting too much because it makes you look like dumbasses.
You don't have any other jobs to do. Stop calling here, okay?
No, I'm gonna call you again and again and again because that's the worst thing you can tell a scam baiter is stop calling here. And I got 1,000 numbers too, so don't even think about blocking. She caught me in the middle of the crickets. Oh my god. She actually caught me in the middle of doing the cricket sound here on Fire RTC. That is so epic. And you know, see, like, the only thing she could say is, fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. I'm surprised that she didn't say, fuck you, motherfucker. Which it tends to be the Indian scammers' magic word right there is motherfucker. Oh, this is gold, even though I slipped up earlier. Okay, number change. Yeah, that one should work. Fire make address generator, which I should have done already. In case I need to do another number. Mail. Thank you. Okay, I need to reset my RTC. And really, I want to find some way to merge this video before posting it. It should be pretty easy. Alright. Now with the number change. It's turned into flat out abuse.
Thank you very much for your call. IRS, how can I help you?
Yeah, your mommy called me and told me we caught you fucking a goat.
Yeah. I want you to fuck with me.
What was that again?
I want you to fuck with me. Yeah, I want you to fuck with me.
Oh really?
So,
FYI, I don't do guys. I don't do guys.
Would you like to fuck with me? Would you like to fuck with me?
Nah. I don't do guys. And besides, you probably got a little dick anyway. Hey, I'm happily married, brother.
You really want to go ahead and fuck with me or not?
Depends if you're gonna try to scam me and shit.
I'll pay you $7. You don't need to be worried. I'll pay you how much you like. You do a blowjob?
What did he ask? Fuck you, mother toad scammer.
You do a blowjob?
You're a mother toad. You're gone to.
Do you want? Do you want to lick my balls?
No, I told you I don't
Yeah,
do
you wanna
guys,
lick out
you
my-
fucking prick. You a gay gondu motherfucker.
Yeah, I'm a motherfucker. I'm a fucking crazy. So would you like to fuck with me?
Oh, wait a minute.
You
I don't even
gondu?
fuck with crazy people. You're a fucking idiot. That was a fucking idiot.
Really? You don't mess with crazy people?
I don't.
Why in the world? What in the world you married one?
You're the exception. That's my wife. That was just talking. All right. Here we go again.
Internal Revenue Service, IRS. How can I help you?
Hey, motherfucker! How's the scamming going? I had to do that. I did that line from the gift card scammer video that I did a couple of weeks ago. that was literally fucking hilarious.
At least you're.
Hello?
Hey, is this the IRS?
Yeah?
I got the call. I got a call from this number 15 minutes ago. I wanted to know what was going on. I got a voicemail.
May I have your name?
Yeah, it's James. You betcha.
Alright, hold the line.
Okay.
Hurry up. I do not want to open that door.
Two more calls.
Huh?
I'll do at least 2 more calls, maybe 3.
Who goes back to hold my bladder?
Hello?
Hey.
What is the sound?
It's crickets.
Hello?
I'm like a cricket farmer.
Alright, may I have your name again?
Yeah, it's James. You betcha.
Oh, well, hello?
Yeah.
Stop making the noise.
I can't help that my crickets are going haywire. Ah, she hung up. Alright.
I think your Bluetooth speaker is busted.
Yeah, it's fully charged.
I didn't make that.
It probably just interference.
Billy. Billy Jack.
Service, how can I help?
Hi, I just received a call from this number.
Okay, this is Officer James Smith from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS.
Uh-huh. What's it about?
So, can you just verify me a first name?
Yeah, it's James, you betcha.
Sorry?
James, you betcha.
Okay, ma'am, I can barely hear you. Are you in speakerphone?
No, I am not.
So, can you please verify me your case ID number in order to pull out your case file?
I deleted the voicemail that they left on my machine by mistake.
Okay, alright. In the case, can you please verify me your first and your last name and your mailing address in order to pull out your case file?
Yeah, it's James, you betcha. It's James, you betcha.
I can barely hear you. Can you spell that for me?
Needed me to spell my last name?
Okay, ma'am, I can barely hear you. Let me call you back, okay? Just hold line for a moment.
Please hold.
Alright? Ding, 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 ding. Hey, come on, keep playing, okay? Keep playing.
You a dumb mother toad! You's a dumb mother toad! You're stupid!
I just forgot the name of the song. Can you remind me what's the name of the song?
What was that?
Please play the song again.
Alright, I'll play the song again. Please hold.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hey, what's the name? What's the song? I just forgot the name of the song. Who's the artist?
You know, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's just on one of the soundboards that I have.
Like, the song name, that's it, okay? I'm not asking anything else.
From what the soundboard says, care less.
Huh?
I'm not sure the name of the song. It's just on the soundboard that I have.
Come on, this is a song. Come on. If you're not giving the name of the song, then I have to disconnect the plan, okay?
Alright, please hold. No, I hung up on that one. Oh, that was fucking hilarious. Yeah, I'm gonna try one more time to see if I can't get another ignorant idiot. And then that'll be my final call. Yeah, I just got a call from this number.
Okay, you're a student officer James Smith from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS.
Uh-huh, and why would the IRS be calling me?
Okay, I will let you know that. But first of all, can you please verify me your first name?
Yeah, James, you betcha.
Sorry?
James, you betcha.
James, right?
Yeah,
And your last name?
you betcha. Y-O-U-B-E-T-C-H-A.
Sorry?
Last name is spelled Y-O-U-B-E-T-C-H-A.
It's Y-O-U-T-E-B. So that's
It's Y-O-U-B-E-T-C-H-A. You betcha.
okay, ma'am. Actually, I can't hear you, okay? I can barely hear you, so let me call you back. Just online for a moment, okay?
Please hold.
Let me call you back.
And he hung up in the middle of it. Okay. I'm going to do one more call, and that's flat out fucking abuse.
Liar.
Flat out abuse time.
You said that last time. You said, oh, more.
I might have to do a number change. That
You could be one of them saying, I'm going to do one more call and then keep doing it, doing it, doing it. Keep lying to your baby.
okay. Got number change starting.
He doesn't lie to you.
Oh, I'm getting ready to call again without resetting it. That would have been embarrassing. But like the problems I was having.
Internal Revenue Service, how can I help you?
Hey, Bakrachad, how's the dick sucking doing? Okay, well, with that, I'm going to effectively end it right here. Assuming I'm going back to the tablet for future videos because it just does not want to connect with the Bluetooth well and run well. So I got to bring my video, my first part of the video, to my tablet and then upload it from there. And hopefully I can get it done without botching it. But anyway, sorry for the mess up, and peace.